There is a very cool new development coming for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is awesome. This is really something that hadn't been talked a lot about, and you had to kind of dig to find this out. So I found a great piece of information that I want to share with you about a forthcoming component to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And it's not Shibarium. It's not anything we've ever really talked about. This is new. Okay. So with that said, thanks for your support, and I want to share this with you. So let me, sorry about that. I hit the microphone with my hand if you heard that knock. Let me put my glasses on here so I can see. All right. And let's take a look at what I've got for you. Okay. So the Shiba Inu developers are looking to launch a customized SHIB cold wallet. Now, why is this important? Well, a cold wallet storage is important for a very simple reason. It is a way to fundamentally, soundly, and safely and securely, and I'm going to see if I can get some more S's in there, secure, there you go, your crypto so that it cannot be stolen, you can't be hacked, all that kind of stuff. And that's what it does. That's what a cold wallet does. Now, beyond that, what I love about the fact that Shiba Inu is coming out with their own cold wallet is the fact that it's a vital, very highly value add component to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It just fits in perfectly with everything else that they're doing. And anything that adds to the ecosystem is something that I applaud. Anything that expands the footprint, if you will, of value and utility that Shiba Inu can offer to its holders, to the the people looking to to make an investment in and buy and hold and own Shiba Inu tokens. I'm a fan of, right? Okay, so let me show you real quickly. So they're talking about having some quote intriguing technology and a distinctive appearance. Now, we haven't seen anything like visually what this is going to look like as of yet. Okay, I'm just kind of moving down. So this was disclosed on the Shibarium Discord server. So that's where this piece of alpha, this piece of information is coming from. So it's not something that's out there in the Twitter sphere or anything like that. This is right here. And this is actually the screenshot of it right there. Okay, where they were talking about it. Okay, now the interesting thing about this, and I want to point out, currently organizing general AMA with Huobi Exchange, AMA with Certic, and possible partnership on collaboration, having a customized SHIB cold wallet with interesting technology and look. Now, what I like about that is there's some big names in that paragraph. Huobi, so maybe partnering with Huobi in some context. No, that does not mean you have to have a Huobi account or anything like that. You don't have to buy and sell on their exchange. It's just it's a technology partnership scenario. Okay. Also, Certic. Everybody knows who Certic. They are the 8 million pound gorilla. Fantastic organization at what they do. So again, a really strong value add component there, in my opinion. Okay, so you've got, we've got the alpha, the alpha of that. This could be coming. This could be a thing. This is a really interesting piece of technology that would fit perfectly in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So I love that. Okay. Hey, so before I let you go, let's take a look at what is going on from a price standpoint with crypto and with SHIB. Okay. So crypto is down 0.12, Bitcoin down 29, down, not really. It's really just flat. You can see they're not really doing anything. And I think SHIB is kind of doing something similar on the 24-hour down 0.7, on the 1 hour down 0.6. So nothing really going on. Remember, this is the weighting that we're all doing as far as kind of for the inflation, shoe to drop, right? We've got the PCE report, we've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting happening next week and all that kind of stuff. So if you haven't done so, hit the buttons below or above, wherever you're at on however you're consuming this content. Follow me for some more SHIB content. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Thanks. Bye.